If you are looking for best tactical folding knife, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular TacForce TF705BK Assisted Opening Tactical Folding Knife.
Hi, welcome to the Master Cutlery Demo Room. For a lot of first timers, there are a lot of questions on how to open and close a folding knife. Today we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a liner lock. With a liner lock, the locking mechanism is hidden within the handle. This particular knife is equipped with spring assist and also has a flipper and a thumb stud as two ways of deploying the blade. To use the flipper, apply pressure and the blade will do the rest. To use the thumb stud, push towards the side of the thumb stud and the blade comes out just the same. To disengage the blade, you want to push the liner lock towards the left and move the blade into the closing position. That's it for now. We'll be back in the Master Cutlery Demo Room with more helpful tips real soon.
Product number 2, Kershaw Blur Black 1670BLK Everyday Carry Pocket Knife. Product number 3, Columbia River Knife and Tools M1614 SFG Special Forces Folding Knife.
CRKT. The M1614 SFG, designed by Kit Carson, has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip, which is excellent for penetration, and exclusive patented VEF serrations, which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
Product number 4, SOG Specialty Knives and Tools Trident Elite Assisted Folding Knife.
(1964). A highly classified Special Ops Unit, known as Military Assistance Command Vietnam Studies and Observations Group, or MACV SOG, carries a unique combat knife into the jungle on covert missions. Years later, in 1986, that knife inspires a young designer to found SOG, paying tribute to that Special Ops Unit with its very first knife. What begins as a single commemorative model soon becomes a full line of innovative tools, field-proven by U.S. Special Forces, and after rigorous testing, honored as the Navy SEAL knife of choice. And today, there's a SOG for anyone who demands the best. So whether you're protecting others, guiding a job to completion, leading an epic expedition, tackling one of life's everyday challenges, or facing your most extreme conditions yet. No matter what your task or where you go, lead the way with SOG. Forged out of tradition, hardened in the field, honed for you. SOG. Take point.
Product number 5, Zero Tolerance 0562 CF Hinderer Slicer Folding Knife. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.